Hello. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to the live. So again, here because we focus on trading gold from NYSE Open to London close. So the focus is discipline and build consistency over time. So if that resonates with you, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So now let's do our analysis and for the day. Gold is going bullish on daily and on H4 this preview H4 close very strong with very big volume here above this level, and now we don't know what's going on. Maybe a counter trend trade scenario can happen because we were moving, pushing up from here, and maybe some sort of retracement is due, so we need to wait for that confirmation. So now a break and close below the support, we can come down to this clean range, our support form here. Maybe we can continue to push up. So at this point we just need to wait for a break and close below 33.12 to take a sell for price to come down potentially. Yep. Hello, Mr. Amol.
Hello.
Hello, bro. How is it going?
How are you?
Yes, not too bad. How was your weekend?
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, nice weekend.
What did you do?
Gym.
Okay, Jim and Tanu.
Yeah, gym. And two important things.
So now you have a payout.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, at least you have no more risk on the table.
Yeah.
Good. Will you withdraw all the profit or you will leave some?
No. All the profit.
What is your
No
plan?
need to.
What is your plan with the profit?
Bro, the things which I have lost in trading, that's it.
Sorry?
So that's gonna cover the losses. That profit gonna cover the losses which I have done till yet.
Friday or last week?
Yeah, last week Friday I lost my live account, right?
Okay, and then you're gonna put that back in your live account?
Yeah. Already.
Why you want to have a live account now?
Live account is important, bro. The end goal is live trading my live account.
Yes, but anyway, yes. If
The
you
end
want.
goal is live account. Better spreads, good trading conditions. News trading is allowed.
Yes, that's the end goal.
What's the spread at your side? At 2.6.
Yeah. Don't you think that it is a bit overwhelming to trade both at the same time?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good. It's
Yeah,
not.
maybe copy my trades on my live account and trade my funded account. I will do the same thing.
Because it is a lot of trade if you have to trade separately, like
Yeah.
in
I will
one
do the
session.
copy trading. Yeah.
In one session, yeah, trading live account, trading.
No. I'll trade my funded account and live account will follow that.
Yeah, still. Anyway, yeah, still there is some risk, because if you lose big on your funded account, you will lose your hard earned money on live account, right?
Yeah.
So for me, I think it should be probably you should set a goal, right? A goal to say, okay, for me, I would like to have a 100k live account or a 50k live account or something, right? So you just focus on one account, which is the funded
Yeah.
account. Continuously withdraw money, deposit in your funded account. If you reach that goal, maybe you can say, okay, now I'm gonna focus on my live account and build that, and I'm gonna maybe leave the prop firm because I don't need that anymore, right? And maybe from time to time you can trade on your funded account if you didn't lose it.
Yeah.
But because and what is the worst case scenario in this? Okay, let's say you lose the funded account. Probably you breach some rules and stuff like that. Okay, you will lose the funded account, but you will still have your live account. But if you trade them both together, you will lose your funded account and you will lose money on your live account, which is very big on psychology, right? You need to spread out the risk, and your hard-earned money, just save that and take risk on the funded account, which is not your money. You already took your risk off the table with the first withdrawal.
Withdrawal and the 100%.
I think it's much more easier in the psychology and emotions to just focus on one pair, one session, one account, right? Just keeping it simple. Yeah. Anyway, that's my thought, but maybe you think otherwise, and that's fine.
Warren Buffett's quote, don't lose money.
Yeah, don't lose money, and also stay within your circle of competence. So, which is like just focus on things you already know, things you have mastered, and do that, and stick to that. The simple things. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett, they all say focus on easy money. So, which is also another expression on focus on easy money, because staying within your circle of competence. So it means that if there is an easy or difficult way to make money, just choose the easy way, because the easy way is the way within your circle of competence, what you know.
Exactly. Exactly, sir.
You need to look at the long term, doing difficult things and stay doing inconsistently. One day you are trading this session, one day you're trading. At one point, maybe at the beginning you'll start making some money here and there, but at one point, long term, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Long term, one day you will just lose your account, or you will. The rules are so important, very, very important.
Exactly.
That's the foundation. You have to build that foundation first. And then this guy, he say simplicity at scales become difficult, which means if you focus on basic, simple things. So once you build that foundation, growing up, that's become complex. You can integrate a lot of things, and you can do that. But if you start with complexity, which is trying to catch every move, trying to trade every session, every time frame, every, now you are starting if with complicated things, which in the long term become impossible.
Yeah.
So that's what I think it's Alex Harmozy, he said that, you know, simplicity at scale become complex, but complexity at scale become impossible. It means that following that route, it's not gonna work.
Yeah.
Today content trend trade will be interesting
Yeah.
after this big move.
A bloody sell.
Where was your entry on this? It was on this candle?
No. I didn't trade that. The London session.
Oh, you didn't trade pre-New York session, only London session?
No.
Yeah,
Only
that
London.
was the first trade, but the other trades,
Other trades at the top. 8 around 8:30 a.m.
right
That's
here.
what Raja took. No.
Okay, at the top of this one.
No. Current scenario, current price action. Current price action, New York session after New York Open.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. At the break, let me show you here.
Here?
No.
Oh, here.
Here at the break. Yeah, they are at the break. NY Open volume.
Multiple entry.
Yeah, because I cannot execute 5 lots, so
Why?
I guess some glitch was there. So I just took 3, 4, 5, 0.5 less than 5 lot.
What's glitch?
I
Because
don't know,
later on
bro.
you took a 5 lot.
5 lot, yeah. Later on, I took a 5 lot.
So what was the glitch?
I don't know, bro. What I was actually, I was executed on my phone, so I don't know what happened.
So how long it take for them to give you the payout?
1 week.
Oh, 1 week. Okay. So now you are not going to trade till next week.
No, I took the another account.
Oh, you took another account? Funded account?
Yeah.
Another challenge. Okay, another challenge.
Yeah, 100K challenge.
Okay. Oh, big guy.
Yeah.
Big guy. And now 100K with dominant funding?
5 hours only.
Wow, man, you failed me again. Yo, man.
Maybe next third time I'll go with Dominion funding and spread my risk across the board with other prop firms.
Okay. Man. Man.
If I pass this, I will be 160K in funding.
Yeah, that will be something.
Yeah, my goal is like 1 million by end of the year.
Wow.
Yeah, let's see.
Wow. 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 Amol is on fire, man. Yeah, okay. No problem.
But the market is making me humble every day. After a big loss or a big lesson, it's making me humble.
So what is your learning from last week?
Nothing is easy here. Discipline is the key. Revenge trading is the most dangerous.
Okay.
That's why I lose the account, the live account that day.
Okay, so today You took your first trade. You made a win. Why did you trade again?
1 to 2 trades a day.
Yeah, but 1 to 2 trade, the second trade is taken if you are giving your trade a second chance because it didn't work. But your first trade worked. Why you took a second trade?
No, Raja is okay with taking 2 trades.
Mm-hmm.
Even the first one is win. He's
Okay.
okay to take.
Okay. But then you lose the second trade. Why you took a
Yeah.
third trade?
Because I was break even for the day.
So yeah, but that's not the reason. The reason is we say the rule is 1 to 2 trade. So why you took a third trade, even if you are break even? Who said you have to make profit every day? Who said that?
No, volume was there, setup was there, so everything was there to execute.
Yeah, but I'm not talking about that. I'm talking
Yeah,
about what the rule says,
1 to
say,
2 trades a day
versus what you did. That's the question.
against the rule.
Aha. So it means that what you said you learned last week, you didn't really learn it.
No, last week I was over risking also, over risking.
So
I was
yeah,
trying to, I was executing big lots to make back that money.
okay, yeah, let's forget about that, right? I
Mm.
ask you, you just told me, okay. So what I learned last week is focus on rules and discipline is key. And what else you said?
Over risking, revenge trading.
Revenge trading, exactly. Yeah. So you said that that's what you learned, but
Mm-hmm.
this morning you break the rules. You took 3 trade instead of 2, right?
Yeah.
And you take a third trade, which is also a revenge trade, because you said you took it because you were break even and you wanted to make back your profit or be in
No,
profit
no,
for the
no,
day.
because setup was there. I was done. I told you, but setup was there, so executed.
Yeah, but is that a reason to take a third trade?
No.
Yeah. So the reason you took the third trade, even though there is setup, is because you revenge trade, because you said only yourself that you took that because you were break even. That's what you said. So
Yeah.
if you took it because you were break even, it means that you didn't accept that break even outcome. You wanted to
Yeah.
make profit.
I didn't accepted the break even outcome.
Yeah. So yeah.
Break even day is a no trading day for me. So no, I just consider as a no trade day.
So oh now you are cheating the rule, man. That's the dangerous things, right? So okay, break even is a no traded if you didn't took any trade. I agree. But you already took 2 trade and the outcome is break even. So
Mhm.
the reason we said okay, limit yourself to 1 to 2 trade is because it's to protect you from yourself emotionally.
Yeah.
So you took 2 trade, so emotionally you are not ready to take third trade, fourth trade.
Yeah.
Regardless the outcome.
Exactly.
So yeah, that's why
Dangerous.
I text you what I texted you. So long term, these are the small things. One day it will catch you and boom,
Wipe all the profits and account.
wiped out everything. Wiped out everything. That's the devil or the blind spots. People say it often. You don't see that coming.
Yeah, the perks of being a trader.
Sorry?
The perks of being a trader.
Parks?
Yeah.
What is parks?
Perks. P-E-R-K. Perks.
This is my first time hearing that. P-E P-E?
P-E-R-K-S. Perks.
Oh, perks. Okay.
Yeah, perks of being a trader.
Perks.
This is the life of a trader. That's why it took Raja to 5 years, 6 years.
Um,
Did you go through that simulation?
no, yeah, I started watching, but it stopped. It stopped after the first trade. I don't know. Ratul, what's going on with your software?
Recording.
It was asking for subscription or something like that. So I wasn't able to.
Ratul's paid software. He's making money with that.
So I wasn't able to watch everything. Ratul is not here. Okay.
He's not here.
You are the only one.
On 30-minute, a break and close above 33.19.
Yeah, that's
33.20 and break and close below 33.12.
yes. Yes, you are right. Didn't watch the news today.
News.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't tell you, bro. I'm gonna change my job. So I found a new one. Signed the contract last week.
Where? Where in Canada?
Yeah, still in Canada. Same area, same industry, but different company.
Okay.
And different paycheck.
Okay. Nice.
So okay, there is news at 10 a.m.
Yeah, and
I think it means today probably it will be at 11:30. We will have a setup probably like last week we've seen.
Yeah, probably.
So Friday you didn't take any trade?
Friday I lose the account.
Yeah. Oh no, it was Thursday. It was Thursday you lose, and you said you are
Thursday
not.
I lose. Friday I have nothing to trade with.
Yeah, exactly. You said you will take a break.
Yeah,
And
till Monday.
till Monday. Hopefully you didn't cry in front of Tanu.
No, bro, no. That's why I told you, market is making me
humble
with these things.
Yeah. And
Earlier I was used to get pissed off after losing.
Now
The best thing is I withdrew money, withdrew the profits.
Yeah, you withdrew some profits. Yeah, that was
if
good.
I keep there, I would have lose that
Lose
also.
that day. Yeah, that was very
Something good.
interesting. Yeah.
The only thing I am down around $60. That's okay.
$60?
Yeah. After calculating the profit and loss statement.
Okay. Okay.
$60.
Yeah.
If I keep the profits there, then I would have lost that.
Okay, so the money you withdraw is what you use to buy a new challenge.
Yeah.
Okay, a new 100k challenge. Interesting. Money is becoming a big guy now.
Let's see. Consistency and discipline.
So yeah, this was your trade. 27 pips stop loss. Yeah, this trade was not too bad.
It was
NY
Open volume.
Yeah, NY Open volume, and it started with no bottom week.
But the thing is, it broke within 2 minutes.
Yeah, that's not a big
The
deal.
only thing is price didn't made a bottom wick and was just pushing up, and volume was.
That's not a problem, because this is the thing I was explaining you 2 weeks ago. This is the third entry I said I'm watching. So when you have some sort of wicks above and price start with no bottom, you can start breaking on those weeks after you got the confirmation, that can work. That's an entry that can work. I've seen that a lot of time recently, but I'm still watching it before starting executing on it. Even last week it happened. Last week it happened here, but on the lower time frame. After we got the confirmation, right? But you need to have the confirmation first. We got the confirmation here, and so we had no entry at the candle here. So impulse entry also, based off my rules, it was like 36-37 pips. I should have waited probably for the 15 minute, right? So but at candle here, stop loss was still big, but this one start with no bottom wick and broke this low. After we have the confirmation, I could have entered here and have a 20 pip stop loss, and yeah, you see later on that just moved to the profit. Exactly. So I'm seeing this happening a lot of time. Same scenario. Same scenario.
Candle just closed.
Candle just closed. Yeah, same scenario here again, right? No bottom wick, broke these wicks after the confirmation to push up. News candle. But in your case, it was yeah, the only thing was you counted on 8:30 volume, I guess. Yeah, 8 a.m. volume, NY Open volume. That's the only thing you counted on.
Is news trading allowed in FTMO?
I'm not sure. Let's find out.
Yeah. Wow, just pushing up and just pushing up. Wow. Just made 1% there on my 100K. with this buy. I guess you are muted.
At the break of this high?
Yeah.
And what was the lot size?
Bro, half risk. 5 lot.
Non, mon lampadaire seul, sans l'installation, c'est 12 mètres.
Sory Sangaré. Yeah. Sent you. Price took the lows, broke the resistance with volume.
Here is the answer to your question, Amol.
La hauteur de montage, ça comprend la longueur du flux.
Yeah, tell me. Trading on not allowed to execute any. Same thing as fivers. Same thing as fivers, bro. Same. Wow, what a rejection. What a rejection, bro.
They are not talking about gold here. It looks like it doesn't affect gold trading. So Amal, your challenge is one step.
No, bro. It's two step.
Okay, 100k. Okay. So the first one was one step.
No, two step.
Two step as well. Okay.
Yeah. E8 was one step.
Okay.
E8
Okay.
funding. But the spread was concerned 3 pip spread.
Okay. Okay. And the target is 8%.
8% and 5%.
Okay. Good. You made 1%. Good.
Yeah, 1%. 1k 988k.
So why you? It's okay. You close at 20 pips. Okay. Monday at the weeks. Okay.
Yeah. But if I was waiting like I was waiting for that 1 hour to break, but 20 pips I secured.
Ouais. Sinon, ça veut dire que pour
The 1 hour didn't break. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't break, so if the
je
1 hour
pensais que
would
c'était
have
plein de conception.
broke, it would have pushed even more. My idea was that, but it was giving me 20 pips, 1%. Just clicked secure.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
How much I would have made if 80 pips? 80 pips.
4%. 4%.
Yeah,
Easy.
4k. Need to hide my PNL, otherwise 1k, 2k. It's like difficult to hold.
The man has no stress now. He will take a 100k, man. The confidence is here. Just
Yeah.
execute. Good. Yeah. So last week I took a bad trade here, man. I broke my rules here. Hopefully I recover before the weekend. That's good.
Yeah, by following the rules.
Yeah, 2 mistakes I made here, so I would have been in profit, but it went in with lower lot size because of over managing stuff here. And here again, went with lower lot size. I should have kept my lot size to 5 lots at each trade. So then I would have made nice profits on both. 5% minus 2% here. I will have been up 3%. So that's the mistake. I need to correct this week. Still following the rules, but keep my lot size consistent. Either 1 lot, either 10 lot or 5 lot. That's it. That's what it should be. Right, Mr. Amal? Exactly. Yeah. So I leave some money on the table. it's very costly when you break the rules, man. Very costly, especially for me. Very costly. Whenever I break the rules, man, it resulted in a big loss. Bro, it looked like no trade will come here before 11:30. What do you think? Do you know this guy? You know this guy?
I don't know this guy.
Gogin, David Gogin. The guy that push the body to the limit.
Wow.
Now he's training with an MMA fighter, a champion,
Yeah.
an MMA champion. He's tired now.
Stay hard. Let's go, carry the boat. Let's go.
Push to the limit. Push to the limit. Wow.
C'est pas les unités.
Yeah, this is a nice range to trade.
Yeah, if I'm ready for the sell side. Clean range.
So you're gonna take another trade?
No.
You say you are ready for the sell side. Ready for the sell side. Yeah, I it looked like let's wait and see if the opportunity come. We shall see. So Tanu still didn't finish the exams?
No, today was also her exam today.
Oh wow. Is it last year or?
Last year.
Yeah, last year. Okay, she's gonna be free now.
Yeah.
Free and
If this 30 will close above 33.20,
right
I
here.
guess. Yeah.
Yeah, probably we can push up as well
Yeah. We
if that
feel
happen.
the next candle we can execute.
Yeah.
15-minute confirmation is also there with 30-minute.
Oh really?
Yeah. If it break and close above, next candle wick down and impulse and trade with trend.
Whoa. Whoa. I'm all on fire. Yeah, that's good. Impulse entry in trend. Yeah, that's good. We'll see. Whoa. But for me, the sell is the best trade. Like the range is so wild. Look at this. So have you been able to watch the webinar?
Which webinar? Raja simulation?
Yeah.
No, bro.
the Ratul links is not working very well. Only one trade was recorded.
Let me find recording and I will send you.
And also it looked like the week he chose to trade is not a high volume week.
Mm-hmm.
Good for you.
So I thought he will have similarly the month of April, which is the tariff month. So a little bit, but people choose March. Five minutes left for candle to close. Let's focus here and see what will be the deal. Is
Just consolidate.
Amal buy side will work or Sory sell side will work?
I'm open for both.
Okay, d'accord. Okay,
Always wait
d'accord.
for candle to close in your direction.
Okay. But here you took impulse entry.
Yeah, experience.
Wow, you kill me. Experience. Mr. Amal is on fire, right?
No, bro. No fire.
No, you are on fire.
I guess my buy side. Buy side. Come on. Maybe 0.05. Right? You're muted.
0.05 for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm already done.
For me, I wait for the good trade. I go with normal lot size.
Yeah, I know, but just to be in that trade with you.
So for me, the range
Oh, 0.02. Why
So
0.05?
just risking $40 or $50.
No, 0.02.
Oh, 0.02. Okay.
Nothing.
Basically risking nothing.
Nothing.
So for that, instead of doing that, just watch. Oh, we close below, so nothing. Nothing. What if we broke this high?
Where?
This high.
Yeah, it will continue to push up, but 30 closed below.
Yeah.
But we have the range,
Yeah,
the
we
wick fill.
have the range.
Yeah,
That's why I am asking. We have the range. And if you break this high, but this is not
This is not a A
an
plus setup.
A plus setup. I rather wait
So
for
let's
a break and close below this area for price to continue to push down. That was my analysis. That will be the best scenario for me. I will wait for the best scenario and I will go in with size 5 lots, because I know most of the time you have 30 pip stop loss. But if I can find less than 20 pip stop loss, then I will go with 9 lot. That's it. Very, very straightforward. No complicated thing.
Juste après, mais ça me prendrait le chaînage.
And if there is no if there is no trade like that, I'm done for the day. We'll come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. And it doesn't matter if I take one trade or 2 trade a week. But I know that the trade I will take, I will let it run. If it give me 100 pip, done, deal done. Only need one trade. So I got hesitant last week to hold those trades. So I wanted to hold this to the target here, which will have been 137 pips. That's also another mistake to correct. So this was Friday, so this was the target. So I got the right target. Then later on, we got this big sell-off, man, 200 pip move. But I guess this broke within the first minute and stop loss was too big. So this was not my trade. Yeah, this was not my trade. 33 pips. So sometimes 33 pips is not too bad. Okay, 31. Okay, yeah, 31 pip, 29, 30 pip. Yeah, 30 pip. Good. So this one was good to push down. Maybe this was even the trade, I guess.
Nice, bro. Your trade was exactly at 4-hour flip.
Yeah, 4-hour
Wow.
break of this low. This is what I was watching, but I hesitated to hold it to this level because we had these rejections here and we had this level here. So that's why I didn't this level. So I had that in mind, even though we had the but my target was here. That's what I had in mind. But I've seen the past that when you have these kind of things, price tend to react to it. So then first it react to it, then at the second confirmation, that's where it broke it, which was great. But I wasn't at the charts anymore.
Oh.
Oh, it's 10:30. So for YouTube guys, I think I'm gonna stop it here for the video to not be very long, but I'm looking for a break and close below this area to go. So it's important to wait for the right setup and execute. So again, focus is on discipline, consistency, patience, wait for your setup to come to you and execute. So because of that, we will not have trade every day, and that's fine. So see you guys tomorrow, and thanks for joining. Have a good rest of your days.